This tutorial will explain how you can turn off cross-play for the Xbox versions of the First Descendant. You won't be able to disable cross-play from within the game. Instead, go to the Settings menu of the console. Afterwards, go to Account, and then select Privacy and Online Safety. You should then go to Xbox Privacy, View Details and Customize, and Communication and Multiplayer. Finally, you should set the You Can Join Cross-Network Play setting to block. Afterwards, you need to quit and then reopen the game. When you reboot the First Descendant, crossplay should be disabled. If this video helped you out, then you can support this channel by clicking on the like button.